Welcome everyone, Bobby Two Pops Breaks. It is Thursday, April the 1st. We're breaking Bomb Box Slabbed comics. We randomed up our 8 remaining box numbers in the case. We have box number 6. We did random teams for it on the right. We've already, random months, I'm sorry, we did random months for it on the right. We've already randomized months customers, alphabetized everybody afterwards, gave them a chance to trade, and actually, for the first time in a long time, we did have a couple months swap. The trades have been updated, so here we go. Someone finally made a liar out of me with no one ever trades months there. Here we go, folks. Hoping for a nicer hit for you here. Well, that's going to be a little bit better, guys. Bam! Going to be a Tails to Astonish, number 45, July. Guys, that is a 7-0. Great on that. That is the second appearance of Wasp and Egghead. Bam! Again, very nice book for someone there. Golf God, wow. Well, I'm very sorry, everybody else, but Tales to Astonish 45. Sorry, guys. That's a nice hit, guys. It's about a $375 book, I think. About a $300 book, I guess, guys. Bam. $350 book there. All right, gonna be a nice hit for Mr. Golf God. Again, Tales to Astonish, number 45, July 7-0. Guys, very nice hit. About a $300, $350 book in that range with the stuff going up like that right now. Whoop, oh, there's my damn dice. I'm looking all over hell for them things and they're stuck to my damn tape gun. Well, now I don't feel so bad. Feeling like a damn senile fool there. I know I didn't move and I couldn't find them. Alright, well, Golf has been a lucky boy on our comics too, folks. I'm very sorry, everybody else. Nice hit out of the case, though. Got a whole lot of value still left there for you, though, folks. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. We usually go 6 or 7 nights a week, 8 p.m. Central. Bobby Two Pops Break. Click the follow and subscribe buttons and join the Facebook group. Won't you please? Have a good one.